Here's the situation. Light is not working. So I bought this 5,000 lumen 4-foot shop light. And I'm going to try to direct wire it right up in there. And that's going to be our project today. And we're going to check it out right now. All right, so here we go. First of all, let's go ahead and just get it out of the box. Take a look at it, right? And I think it's going to be pretty simple. Here it is. The cool thing about this is I don't need a front piece on it. Here's the instructions. And then here is where you could hang it. But you could also just plug it in, right? So let's try that out. Let's see what happens. Let's plug it in and see how much light we get. So let's just plug this bad boy in. Okay, it's plugged in. Now to turn it on, all I gotta do is pull this. That is pretty freaking bright, I gotta say, right? That is pretty bright. And I think if I put it up in there, that is gonna work very well. All right, let's turn it off. All right, it does come with instructions. And I wonder if they'll let us direct wire it. That's the question. Warning, hooks, blah, blah, blah. Do not install in radiant heat ceilings. Okay. Safety information. These are the hooks. But I think this is going to work great. Let's pull back so you guys can see it. I'm going to stick it right up in there. Hopefully it'll work.